The way we're used to working isn't working. For teams and organizations looking for an easier way to manage projects and to-dos, there's Asana. To start our demo, let's go over a few basic building blocks in Asana. The orange Quick Add button can be an Asana user's best friend. You can easily add tasks, conversations, teams, projects, or invite teammates from here. Starting with a blank slate, you can see how simple it is to set up a project, which means you can start getting value out of Asana right away. A project list works a lot like a document. Create tasks by typing and pressing Enter. Add sections to organize your tasks. Asana is as fast as writing a document, but far more dynamic and connected to all your data. You can also add assignees, due dates, and start dates to each task. You can involve more teammates by adding them as task followers or project members, so everyone can stay informed as the project progresses. While the time to value is quick, advanced features unfold gradually. Let's fast forward to a more populated Asana with multiple teams and projects in flight. The sidebar is the central place to find your company's teams and projects. Organizations can have dozens of teams like marketing, design, HR, IT, and beyond. Teams can have dozens of projects, from work requests to marketing campaigns to product launches. Asana can be used to run entire organizations, making it easy for all teams to better collaborate amongst themselves and with each other. Teams in Asana are the hub for conversations, calendars, and projects, giving teammates a bird's-eye view of everything related to their team. When you go to a project found in a team, you'll see a clean, quickly skimmable list of tasks. You can also see a couple of examples of custom fields here, with columns for content stage. You can create drop-down, text, or numeric fields to track anything from task priority to marketing channel to applicant info and beyond. You can sort by custom fields, due date, and more to see your work organized in the way that works best for you. The additional Project View tabs let you access all the project information you need. Use conversations instead of email chains to communicate with project stakeholders. You can @mention the relevant tasks so everyone can easily see the details of the work. You can also create new conversations directly through email. It's like a Google group or Facebook group for work. Calendar shows all of your tasks' date ranges and deadlines, making it easier to schedule work and have a clear sense of your project timeline. Progress View lets you post status updates with red, yellow, and green indicators. You can spot at a glance how close your team is to achieving its goals and keep managers and executives in the loop without all the time-consuming update meetings. Finally, there's a Files view showing every attachment and a gallery view so you don't have to dig through folders or email to find the files you're looking for. And if you want to lock down the editing access, you can create a comment-only project. Teams and people work and think in different ways, so Asana is flexible in how projects can be structured. Boards projects are a Kanban view of tasks. Your team might also have common projects or workflows that follow the same steps every time. Asana makes it easy to templatize that work, saving time to ensure you're not reinventing the wheel or missing steps. You can create your own project templates or start from the Asana library. Just as projects live within teams, tasks live within projects. With a task, you can see the assignee and due date, so it's clear who's doing what by when. The task description is where you can provide more detail about the work to be done. It also has rich formatting like bolding, italics, bulleted, and numbered lists. You can also easily add files as attachments to your tasks from your computer or from Dropbox, Google Drive, Box, or OneDrive. Even though Asana's interface is intentionally simple and clean, the product is also quite powerful. With tasks, you have the option to add dependencies so teammates know when they can start work and what task they're waiting on. Merge duplicates, convert a task to a project, or view the task in full screen mode to stay focused. You can also store tasks in multiple projects. When the task is updated, the changes will show in all the projects it's in. It's the same task, so you can see information in different contexts without duplicating work. Subtasks can help you break work down into multiple steps with different assignees and due dates. Several layers of subtasks can be added to mirror the way work actually ladders up and down. Subtasks can help you see whether or not the deadline of the parent task can be done on time, rather than learning after it's too late. To provide updates, acknowledge a task, or ask questions, you can use task comments. That way, conversations happen alongside work and can be referenced later on. Decision-making becomes transparent and collaborative. You can @mention teammates to add them to the task and conversation so they'll get notified. Finally, any task or comment can be liked. Likes can be used as a way to say thanks, acknowledge that you've read the comment, show your approval, and keep teammates motivated. The top bar is all about you. With My Tasks, you'll see a list of all tasks assigned to you. It's updated instantly based on any new changes happening across Asana. This is the system of record for all of your work. You can't get that from spreadsheets. Get updates on the work that matters to you in your Asana inbox. You'll only see comments and updates on tasks and projects that you follow. You can easily unfollow tasks right from the inbox so you can reduce noise and focus on what's important. Your dashboard is where you can see the status of all the projects you're leading, working on, or keeping track of. At the click of a button, this project data will automatically populate in Google Sheets for more custom reporting. Search helps you find anything in Asana, and with advanced search, you can create reports to show priorities, productivity, bandwidth, and more. You can also use custom fields in advanced search. For instance, you can make sure no work is at risk by searching for incomplete tasks that are marked high priority. Save the report for quick access anytime. The report will automatically update as work progresses. Asana easily integrates with tools you're already using, like Salesforce, Slack, G Suite, and much more. Plus, there are more opportunities for customizations and integrations with our Open API and Asana Enterprise. Asana helps you achieve your most ambitious goals yet and is already helping great teams worldwide thrive. So why not yours?